Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to write Tamil vowels. There are 12 vowels in Tamil and we shall see one after the other. Beginners should practice only in a four-ruled notebook. Then only they will understand a perfect formation of those letters. Okay dear? முதல்ல A. First we are going to write A. I shall write it roughly over here and then we shall write in the four rule. Now a small round and then like this and then it will come a horizontal line and then a vertical line. While writing Tamil letters, once you have started writing, you should not take your hand out before finishing it. For example, if you write like this, take your hand out and then drawing a line, taking a hand out, then drawing one more line. This may look like a, but the formation is wrong. This is the right one. So once you have started it, you should finish it after finishing the letter only. Okay. Now we shall see how to write in this four line. Start with a small round and then go like this. Then a boat shaped horizontal line and then go up and then come down. Okay. This is A. Now the next letter is A. It is similar to A and then you have to add one more round like this. This is A. Now we shall see how to write in this. This is A. Similar to A. See where it is touching. Which part and all touching the lines. You should be very careful in this. So if you practice every day, actually you have to practice each letter at least 12 times. Okay. So if you practice like this, you will understand how to pronounce it also. While you are writing, you should pronounce it. Like that. Now the next letter is E. We have finished A. Now E. We shall see how to write E. Similar to A. Till this is similar to A. After that, it should come and go up and end like this. Okay? This is E. Now we shall see how to write. You can start from here. So, you can get a perfect thing. Okay, this E can be written in another way also, like this. And this will be a better way, I will say. And then E. I shall see how to write E. A straight line, then horizontal line. Then you should not take your hand out. You should come back half and then come down. And then you put two dots. This is known as E. Now we shall see how to write in four lines. See here. This is E. Now we have seen A, E, E. Four vowels. The next is U. We shall see how to write U. This is U. Now we shall write in four rule. A small round, then it will come like this and it should be like a question mark and then extend this line, horizontal line. This is U. So the next letter is U. It is similar to U, but we are going to add one more letter in this line. This has no particular sound when it is written along with this U. These two together we are calling this as U. Okay. But there is a letter in Tamil like this. If it comes alone, we will call it as a la. But when it is associated with this U, there is no separate sound for this letter. These two together called as U. Okay. So we shall see how to write U in this. Similar to U, and then we have to write this. This is known as U. Now the next letter is A. It's very easy. A. See how we can write a small round, go up and then come down. This is A. We can write in a smaller way also, not a problem. Only the formation is important. The formation you have to understand. Then the next is A. A. It is similar to A, but we are drawing a line like this. Okay? A. Now what and all we have written? A, E, U, A. The next letter is I. You should be little careful while writing this letter. See, I'll show you how to. This is I. There are few specifications while writing this letter. That is, this line should be horizontal like this, and if you draw two lines over here, the entire letter should be within these two lines. Okay, that means if you should not write like this or like this. Somebody will write like this is also wrong. So only here there should be a space, here there should be a space, here there should be a space, and this should not go out of this, and this also should not go out of this. Somebody will write like this. Okay, only this is the correct formation of I. Now we shall see how to write I. And also these two should be opposite to each other. Okay, in a same line. This is I. Now the next letter is O. How to write O? Now it is very easy. Now just draw a small circle, then one half circle and draw another small circle. See, these two circles should be similar and opposite to each other. But here it is joined with this. We should not join this with this. Okay, there should be a gap, and then you should reverse the line and you have to form one more half circle. Then you have to draw a beautiful curve like this. So first, this is first part and this is second part. In the second part, a half circle and like this. Okay, if you practice this, even you can practice this alone. Okay, separately. Then the letter is ready. Now see here. This is O. Okay. We shall see how to write in this. O. Now the next letter is O. It is similar to this, but only a small change. Here you should complete it with a small circle. Now we shall see how to write in this. Okay, this is O. Now the next letter is all out. This is also, first you write this O exactly, and then you have to add this letter as we have done in oo. Okay, so these two together known as owl. Okay, now we shall see all the letters. A, E, E, U, U, A, I, O, ow. Okay, now uh, there are a few things. When you are pronouncing these letters, you should pronounce these two as a, a. Most of the children will say, call it as a. This is a wrong way of pronunciation. You should not pronounce it as a. It is a, 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 a. And how much you have to elongate? All these things we have to elongate only when you are clapping. For one clap, a. For two claps, a. A. That's all. You should not elongate it as a and all. It's not a music. Okay. A. A. E. E. U. U. A. I. O. O. Ow. Okay. This is how we have to pronounce these letters, and we have to write these letters in a 4-rule notebook. You have to practice each letter at least 12 times, then only you will understand. All the best. Thank you. Ah. E. E. U. U. E. E. I. O. out. That's all.